all about chemical plants to put bread on the table of the working man. Well, the working man does his best to provide safety and shelter for kids and a wife. Give them a little of his soul every day to make it all the time.
Tyler,
Whoa,
you gotta work tomorrow, Tyler.
When the company man tried to dig my daddy's grave, happened on the French on the tanker ship, spilling poison in the Galveston Bay. Well, the liquid fire filled his lungs and his eyes silence, and the mold crash, the golden grill, death stinging pain. We fought like hell to keep the wolves away. Next few years down the circus down but it made recovery just about the odds. The settlement came and we moved out of town where the sky is and heavy with refined clouds. He still allows smoking goodies and his fingers but the money's not out. He's reaching for pennies. So going broke with every song I play, 'cause now it's my turn to keep the wolves away.